Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Volkswagen CC hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever. It's typically found in the driver's footwell on the left-hand side, near the door sill. Give this lever a steady pull towards you. You should hear a clear pop sound as the hood partially releases, indicating the first stage of unlocking is complete. Now, move to the front of your Volkswagen CC. The hood will be slightly ajar, perhaps by about 1 inch or 2 to 3 centimeters. Carefully reach your hand under the front lip of the hood, directly above and slightly to the right of the Volkswagen emblem. You will feel a small, secondary safety catch lever that needs to be engaged. With your hand under the hood, gently lift the small safety catch lever. While holding this lever up, use your other hand to lift the hood fully open. The hood should now swing upwards smoothly. Many Volkswagen CC models feature hydraulic struts that will hold the hood securely in its open position, making it easy to access the engine compartment. Once the hood is fully open, ensure it is securely supported, either by its hydraulic struts or by properly positioning the prop rod if your vehicle has one. With the hood safely open, you can now easily access various components. This includes checking your engine oil, topping up windshield washer fluid, and inspecting the levels of your brake fluid and engine coolant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.